Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to perform simple linear regression on your data and how to present it is in a graph form, and also how to get all the statistical values. So let's start. So first our data, so we have the x value as a time, and we have the y values as a group A and group B. So group A is the treatment, group B is the control. Further, the both treatment and control has been done in a triplicate, so we have the replicate value with the n equal to 3. Now let me delete the previous graph which I have already prepared. So we will make the graph from initially. Okay, so now we have selected our data table. Now we have to go under the analysis tab, choose the first option, fit a line with simple linear regression, where it will open up the one window where we have to make the various selection. Suppose I want to compare test whether slopes and intercepts are significantly different, so I will choose this one. In graphical option, I want to see the 95% confidence band to the best fit line, so I will choose this one. Here, since I have replicates n equal to c, so I will choose this one. Consider each replicate y value as an individual point. All other parameter I will selection I will keep as it is. P value I will choose default one. I will click OK. So now it will open up the simple linear regression tabular results. So we can get the various result which we have selected in previous window. So we can see is the best fit values of the slope, y-intercept, x-intercept for both treatment and control. Let's see goodness of the fit, r square value. As we know that if r square value is near to 1, the correlation is very good. Then here its slope significantly non-zero. Now here we can see deviation from 0 is significant, so the slope is significantly non-zero, and also we get the p value. As small as p value, it shows the significance. Also we can see the equation y equal to mx plus c. Now the GraphPad Prism also give the conclusive information like our lines are different, are the slopes equal. So here if you read this one, you can conclude that the differences between the slopes are extremely significant. So this is very easy to understand. Now let's plot the graph. So by default it will give graph in such a way, so we will slightly do its formatting. So like I will slightly edit the x-axis. Okay, then let's change the font. Apply. You can see, let's put the y-axis. Y-axis we will put response of unit, whatever it will be. Time, here is the treatment and control. We will change the title. It is the simple linear regression of the given data, so I will put simply simple linear regression. Okay, now let's change the color. So I will double click on the graph and it will show this one. So I will for treatment I will choose this color, apply, and for control I will choose blue one, apply. So you can see the very nice graph. Now let's put the various statistical parameters for the treatment as well as control. So if you click on the graph, if you click the right click, it will open this window. Now here you have to select insert information or analysis constants. Now all the statistical parameters you can see here. Now suppose for the treatment, So treatment, I want to put the equation, so I will select this one. Okay, then I will select, I will drag below the treatment. Same way for the control, I will put the equation, I will select, I will put under the control. Now I want to put the r square value. So treatment, goodness of the feed, r square. So this is the r square for the treatment. Then let's put the r square value for the control. So control, goodness of the feed, r square. Now let's make it align. So I will select all these and I will make align object to the left. And I will shift slightly right, so it will show that what value is under what group. And I will slightly reduce the font. And I will change the font. Okay. So this way you can present all the parameters. Like I have put only 2 parameters, you can put as per your need. So this is the very basic simple linear regression analysis and its presentation in the graph form. Thank you.